How to live longer. The key to a long life has been linked to a healthy, balanced diet, but certain foods in particular have also been proven to have life-boosting properties. When it comes to breakfast, which foods can help improve longevity? Breakfast is more than just the meal that breaks your overnight fast. It's the opportunity to prime your body with nutrients to carry you through the day. So in this video, we are going to talk about eating these 10 breakfast foods to live a longer life. The video is going to be amazingly informative, so make sure you stick to the end. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a nutritional powerhouse. It contains beta-glucan, which is a thick, sticky fiber that helps a person feel full for longer and may also lower cholesterol. It consists of beta-glucan, a form of soluble dietary fiber, which keeps you full for a longer period, improves cholesterol levels, and boosts your heart health. Oats are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, potassium, antioxidants, and folate. You can also opt for steel-cut oats. They have more protein and fiber than other oats and have a lower glycemic index, or GI, which keeps your sugar in check. Number 9. Berries. An excellent way to start your morning is with berries. Be it blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, everything works. Low in calories and high in fiber, they are the best. They also contain disease-fighting antioxidants. It also lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease. A study from the American Heart Association showed an association between the higher intake of the antioxidants found in berries with a lower risk of a heart attack in young women. Sprinkle berries on cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt, or blend them into smoothies. If fresh berries are expensive or not in season, buy frozen berries, which are just as nutritious. However, it is best to choose frozen berries without any added sugar for optimal health benefits. Number 8. Bananas. The best pick that can never go wrong. From starting your morning on a high note to keeping your hunger at bay, bananas are nature's best invention. Great in potassium, it is recommended for young women to make it a part of their daily diet. The resistant starch in the fruit does not digest, keeping you charged throughout the day. Unripe bananas contain more resistant starch than ripe bananas, which have more natural sugars. Bananas are also a great source of potassium, which may support healthy blood pressure in some people. Bananas are great with nut butter or on top of oatmeal or cereal. Have it directly or add it to your toast or cereals. Number 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt has calcium, B vitamins, belly-friendly bacteria, and double the protein of regular yogurt for roughly the same calories. Stick to the plain version, since flavored ones have added sugars. Yogurt is heated milk that gets combined with 2 types of good bacteria and then is left to ferment for a few hours. During that time, milk sugars change into lactic acid, which is thicker than milk and has a sharp flavor. This dairy product is a creamy, protein-rich breakfast staple for many people. But try to avoid yogurt with added sugars. Instead, go for plain Greek yogurt, a strained, thicker type of yogurt. It's packed full of nutrients and a rich source of protein, calcium, and probiotics. Gustus Shaw says, it promotes good GI function and helps keep you feeling full longer. Number 6. Coffee. Aside from water, coffee is the world's most popular beverage. Approximately 85% of Americans drink coffee on a regular basis. A good combination with your breakfast, studies claim that coffee's antioxidant quality reduces the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and glucose metabolism. It also fights inflammation. It's high in caffeine, a molecule that promotes alertness, improves mood, and increases physical and mental performance. Notably, many athletes drink coffee as a natural pre-workout beverage to support sports performance. It also contains other beneficial compounds, such as chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and diterpenes, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, regular coffee intake is associated with many health benefits, such as a lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, liver disease, Parkinson's, certain types of cancer, and even death from all causes. Number 5. Avocados. Avocados provide heart-healthy, unsaturated fat that's often missing from Western diets. The fruits have lots of folate and vitamins E, C, A, and K. And there's more. Avocados have high amounts of fiber, about 5 grams in half a cup of avocado cubes, which helps keep food moving in the gut, says Gabrielle Gambino, a registered dietitian with Weill Cornell Medical Center. Avocados also contain the antioxidants in lutein and zeaxanthin, which may help to absorb light waves that harm your vision. In other words, eating avocados in the morning may support your eye health and prepare your eyes for morning Zoom meetings. Gambino recommends adding avocado chunks to a morning omelet, mashing avocado and spreading it on toast, blending avocado in a green smoothie with kale, bananas, milk, and a touch of honey, or enjoying avocado as a side dish with a sprinkle of savory seasoning. Number 4. Egg. Already a popular breakfast option, eggs are high in nutrition and protein. It also improves blood cholesterol, weight, body fat, and more. In general, high-protein foods maximize blood sugar control, particularly if we pair them with carbohydrate-rich items in our first meal of the day, such as eggs and whole wheat toast, Gambino says. Enjoy eggs as a main dish or as a savory topping on an avocado half or oatmeal. Hard-boiled or poached are healthier preparation styles to avoid frying and unnecessarily inflammation that comes with that style of cooking. For a particularly filling breakfast, sometimes I recommend including an additional 1 or 2 servings of egg whites in addition to 2 whole eggs. Or simply add vegetables to your omelet to create more volume. This improves feelings of fullness, which will help you get through your morning, Gambino says. Number 3. Nuts and nut butter. In case you are among those in a rush, start your day with a handful of nuts. They not only satisfies your craving, but also helps you in your protein count. Nuts also contain magnesium, potassium, antioxidants, and heart-healthful fats. You should also make it a point to carry a small box full of nuts with you. When looking for a change, you also have nut butter options. Apply it on toast, mix it in yogurt, or have it with fresh fruit. Choose from varieties like cashew butter, almond butter, peanut butter, and more. Number 2. Walnuts. A large review of randomized controlled trials suggests that diets rich in walnuts are linked to reduced levels of total cholesterol and also LDL or bad cholesterol, and the kind involved in plaque buildup in the arteries. Walnuts are also loaded with vitamin E, folate, and magnesium. Walnuts are convenient in the morning if you're on the go. Just grab a handful and stash them in a small container on your way out the door. If you have more time, Gambino recommends baking walnuts with a little honey in the oven for a sweet and crunchy topping for your cereal or yogurt. Or you can include walnuts in a muffin for an additional source of protein and a satisfying crunch. Number 1. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is another protein powerhouse. One study showed that cottage cheese could curb hunger just as efficiently as eggs do. Cottage cheese is a fantastic high-protein breakfast item, packing an impressive 24 grams of protein per cup. A high-protein breakfast is linked to greater fullness and reduced hunger. In fact, one study found cottage cheese to be as filling and as satisfying as eggs. Cottage cheese is also low in calories, providing only 180 calories per cup. Therefore, it may support weight loss without leaving you feeling hungry. You can eat cottage cheese with many other nutritious foods, such as berries, peaches, tomatoes, cucumbers, chia seeds, flax seeds, or granola. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.